So it's that kind of a day here in the Great Lakes State. Stuck indoors, so I decided to make some pizza dough. Initially, I used a mixer just to get the ingredients mixed up. Of course, that's going to be virgin olive oil, salt, sugar, flour, bread flour at that, water, and I put some garlic in there, granulated garlic. And then by hand I kneaded this thing for about 10 minutes. It's a lot of work. Your hand, or I should say your hands, will become tired after doing it. So I'm gonna let this sit in here. Now my pizza tossing, pizza spinning skills, I'm working on it. Within a few weeks, maybe a couple, I am going to be a professional. Now one would think that in the Great Lakes State here, home of the Detroit style pizza, brick cheese would be easy to find. It's not, but I did find a place called the Cheese House, and here's how I got the cheese, in Frankenmuth, Michigan. Hey, do you guys have any Wisconsin cheese, Wisconsin brick cheese?
Yes, we do.
Is that what you got right there?
Yes.
That is cool. The pepperoni. I thought I had the good stuff. This is some gluten-free crap. So Was the pizza perfect? No. Was it good? Heck yeah. Better than any frozen pizza. Speaking of frozen, I gotta get in the house. So the oven. I cooked this pizza at 550 and I set the timer for 11 minutes, but it only took about 7. Cut it short. Always check the dough. Look at the bottom and look at the top. That's your indicator. Don't always go by a timer. So a lot of people have been asking about the UMAX pizza oven, outdoor wood burning pizza oven. And it was my plan to cook this pizza inside this oven. But since I'm getting over having a cold, I decided not to. Don't worry folks, I will use this wood burning pizza oven again, just so I get above 32 degrees, please. Bless you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.